Hello everyone, this is Carla de la Rosa-King, immigration attorney, and today I want to talk to you briefly about the visa waiver program. So I want to talk to you briefly about this because I want you to know that if you enter the United States under the visa waiver program or ESTA, the rules that apply to you are different than the rules that apply to people who enter the United States with a visa stamp issued by a U.S. embassy or a U.S. consulate abroad. So if you enter the United States under the visa waiver program or ESTA, you are given an authorization to stay in the United States up to 90 days to be a tourist or for a business visit. And when you enter under the visa waiver program, you don't actually have like a visa stamp in your passport. So again, the rules are different for people who enter under ESTA than people who enter the United States with a U.S. visa stamp on their passport issued by a U.S. embassy or a U.S. consulate abroad. If you enter the United States under the visa waiver program or ESTA, you are not allowed to change status to a different non-immigrant category. This is very important for you to keep in mind, and I'll give you an example. For example, you enter under the visa waiver program, and while you are here, you decided you wanna attend school in the United States. So if you were a person who entered the United States with a regular visa stamp, with a, let's say, with a B2 visa, in that case, the rules, the law allows you to file for a change of status in the United States on Form I-539. So you can go from your tourist status to student status. However, if you enter the United States under the visa waiver program, you cannot do that. If you enter the United States with the visa waiver program, under the visa waiver program, for you to be able to obtain that, to be able to be in the United States as a student, you are going to have to apply for the visa stamp at the U.S. Embassy abroad. You cannot go or you cannot file a change of status from ESTA or visa waiver to the F1 status within the United States. It's not allowed. If you enter under ESTA, you cannot file a change of status to a different non-immigrant category within the United States. Now, if you enter under ESTA and you want to file for adjustment of status, that's not allowed either. You cannot file, if you enter the United States under the visa waiver program, you cannot file for adjustment of status unless you are the spouse, the parent, or the minor unmarried minor child under 21 of a U.S. citizen. So unless you fall into one of these exceptions, you cannot apply for adjustment of status if you enter under the visa waiver program. So if you enter the United States under the visa waiver program before filing any type of application with USCIS, it is extremely important you consult with an immigration attorney because your options, if you enter under the visa waiver program, are very limited. So please keep this in mind. And if you have any questions about this or any other immigration related matter, if you need any assistance, please feel free to give me a call at 773-366-1214 and schedule a consultation. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.